If you own leather goods, whether it's a jacket, shoes or that leather bag, this video is for you. Today we're busting the worst leather care myths. The myths that can ruin your leather products faster than you can imagine. And I'll give you the right way to keep your leather products looking sharp for decades. Let's get into it. Number 1. Using household cleaning products such as dish soap, alcohol, acetone. Here's why this is a disaster. Leather is a natural material full of oils and proteins that keep it soft and flexible. Household cleaners like dish soap or alcohol are designed to strip grease and kill germs, which sounds good until you realize they strip away the very oils leather needs to stay healthy. Without those oils, leather dries out, becomes stiff and eventually cracks. Acetone and alcohol are even worse. They can literally dissolve the finish and damage the dye, leaving your leather patchy and faded. Plus, these chemicals can weaken the fibers, making your leather more prone to tearing. So what starts as a quick clean can turn into a leather nightmare. A friend of mine tried to disinfect his leather steering wheel with rubbing alcohol during flu season. The result? The leather turned dull and started peeling within weeks. Lesson learned: alcohol kills germs but also kills your leather's finish. Use a cleaner specifically formulated for leather, like a mild saddle soap or a dedicated leather cleaner. These products are designed to gently remove dirt and grime without stripping the natural oils that keep leather soft and flexible. Number 2. Drying wet leather with direct heat. Hairdryer, radiator, microwave. Why is blasting your leather with heat so bad? When wet, it expands. If you dry it too fast with heat, the water evaporates unevenly, causing the leather to shrink and warp. This leads to stiff, misshapen leather that feels like a cardboard. Microwaving, that's a no-go. It can literally burn or melt the leather's surface. Radiators and hair dryers dry the surface too quickly, causing cracks underneath that you can't see until it's too late. Leather needs to dry slowly and naturally to maintain its shape and softness. After your leather gets wet, gently blot off excess moisture with a soft cloth. Then allow it to air dry naturally in a well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Slow drying gives the leather fibers time to return to their original shape without stress. Number 3. Storing leather in plastic bags. Plastic bags trap moisture and heat, creating a perfect environment for mold and mildew to grow. When trapped in plastic, moisture gets stuck, causing leather to develop ugly stains, a musty smell, and even rot over time. Instead, store your leather items in breathable fabric bags, like cotton dust bags or pillowcases, and keep them in a cool, dry place with good air circulation. Proper airflow prevents moisture buildup, which stops mold, mildew, and unpleasant odors from developing. Number 4. Over-conditioning leather. Conditioner is great, but too much of a good thing becomes a problem. Leather is like your skin. It needs moisture, but also needs to breathe. Overconditioning clogs the pores, trapping dirt and dust on the surface. This buildup not only dulls the leather's natural shine, but also makes it sticky and greasy to the touch. Worst case, it attracts grime and bacteria, which can cause discoloration and unpleasant odors. Overconditioned leather also loses its natural texture and can become overly soft, losing structural integrity. Condition your leather sparingly, generally every 1 to 3 months, depending on use and climate. Apply a small amount of high-quality leather conditioner and wipe off any excess immediately. 5. Just throw in the washing machine. Machine washing leather goods is like putting a delicate sculpture through a wood chipper. The spinning drum agitates the leather, causing scuffs, tears, and stretching. Water penetrates deeply, swelling the fibers, and when it dries, the leather shrinks unevenly, warping the shape and causing cracks. Even if you use those special leather detergents, they can't protect against mechanical damage or the swelling and shrinking caused by water. Plus, detergents can strip oils just like harsh cleaners. The result? Leather that's stiff, misshapen, and cracked. Basically ruined. A guy washed his leather gloves in the washing machine because it's easier than hand washing. The gloves shrunk so much he couldn't even get his hands in them afterward. For routine cleaning, spot clean with a damp cloth and leather cleaner. For deeper cleaning or stubborn stains, take your leather items to a professional who specializes in leather care. This approach protects your investment and keeps your leather product looking sharp for years to come. Leather product is an investment. Treat it right and it will serve you for decades. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe and share it with your friends who also love leather products. Take care and I'll see you next time.